Yalla, shh, walk slowly. Good boy, come on, Habibi.
Keep the pace steady, optimize flow.
Next group, move to lane 3. The scan is clear and vitals are stable.
جيد جدا. سأقوم بتسجيلها. The follicular development looks good.
Scan confirms no abnormalities in the thyroid, doctor.
Scan the hind leg, level 3.
Data received. Vitals are stable.
Prep the next camel in bay 4. Ensure the rinse cycle is complete. The next group is ready for washing. Check the water flow on the main line.
Flow is stable. Ensure the brushes are reaching the lower legs.
This grain is perfect for the next stage.
Perfect. Send it through.
The grain on this piece is perfect.
Mark it as grade A. This batch looks perfect.
Let's keep it moving.
The pH levels are stable. Good, keep the conveyor steady.
The grain on this batch is superb.
Yes, and the cuts are very clean. We can move these to finishing.
Check the grain on this batch. Color is consistent. This batch of camel hide looks absolutely perfect.
Let's get these over to the product section now.